So let's talk about why the crypto markets are down. Okay, so this is something that I've been talking about for a while here on my channel. By the way, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Would love to see you stick around and become part of the community. I have one goal, and that's to help you guys make more money in crypto and navigate these crypto waters. On every single day. Okay, so why is the crypto market down 3.9% as of the recording of this video? Why is Bitcoin down 4.9 and Ethereum down 4.6, hovering back around those $40,000 and $3,000 levels? It is because of just one reason, and it is this one right here. Chairman Powell has come out and said that they are basically going to, when they do meet in May, that they are going to go with 50 basis points, period. That's what's going on. So there was rumor and discussion around this Federal Reserve meeting that is going to happen again in mid-May, that they were only going to raise the interest rate up 25 basis points. And in fact, they're now showing their proverbial cards a little bit and saying that they're going to raise it 50 basis points. And in videos that I've been talking about leading up, in the last 4, 5, 6+ days, I've been talking about the fact that we have pretty choppy waters, as I'm calling it. Choppy means like we might have a day where we might be down 3%. The next day we might be up 1. Next day we're down, down 1.5. Next day up maybe 2. It's just real choppy, just not a lot of consistency or just not consistent green days, etc. And that choppiness, if you will, is a direct relationship or direct corollary to what the Federal Reserve was or was not going to do. Okay. And so, in fact, in them coming out late yesterday evening and into last night, this information is starting to be digested by the stock market as well as crypto market, that yes, they are going to raise the interest rate 50 basis points. And that is a scenario where the crypto market absolutely is impacted by Federal Reserve, what they do or don't do, period, end of story. And so we are seeing the direct results of that, direct fallout of that. So in the last 24 hours, the biggest loser, if you will, percentage gained is Convex, Synthetics, Chain, accordingly, Thor, Frax, all of those. And in the last hour, you can see they're actually very similar: Convex, Thor, Synthetic, Zcash, Loopring, etc. But outside of this Convex, which is kind of an outlier, we've got a situation where the market's digested it, but you can see in the last hour it has leveled off a little bit. There's not a lot of major percentage down. These are in the top 100, by the way. Okay, and in the last 24 hours, Tron, AMP, OKB, Steppen, these guys are up a little bit, but you can see they're only at the Tron being the number one is only up 4.3%. Okay, but fully expect this to continue to be pervasive today into tomorrow. Possibly the rest of the weekend will probably be choppy as well. So if you're looking at this for an opportunity to maybe get into some particular cryptos, might not be a bad scenario there. Not investing advice, of course, right? But that is what's going on. Let's take a look at crypto fear and greed index. We dropped 1, so now we're at a 26. But again, there's your reason. It's the Federal Reserve looking like they're going to raise the rate 50 basis points. So that's what I've got for you. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. I'll be here. See you. Bye.